Now, you might be driving your car, but I'm running behind you telling you these jokes. The first one goes like this. What's gray, has 4 legs, and jumps up and down? An elephant on a trampoline. Now here's another one. What's gray and wrinkly and jumps every 20 seconds? Again, an elephant, but with hiccups. What's gray and goes round and round? An elephant in a washing machine. What's big and gray and lives in a lake in Scotland? The Loch Ness elephant. What's big and gray and has 16 wheels? An elephant on rollerblades. Now, what again goes up slowly and comes down quickly? An elephant in a lift. And finally, what's as big as an elephant but weighs nothing? The elephant's shadow.